Welcome back. You're watching Talk Money. Our mutual fund guest for today is Renu Porton, Research Manager, Fundsupermart.com. First up, we got an email from Kaushik Banerjee, writes in from Mumbai. Kaushik is 37 years of age and has the following investments. Makes about 2,000 rupees per month into an HDFC Top 200, 2,000 per month of an SIP, IDFC Premier Equity Plan A, Reliance Regular Savings about 1,000 rupees per month, BlackRock Small and Mid Cap 1,000 rupees per month. Renu, what are you making of his current portfolio?
Yeah, as far as the portfolio is concerned, it's actually diversified across different categories. He's having exposure in the large cap space, in the mid cap and multi cap space. As for the funds, I think all except for Reliance Regular Savings, all the others there's no concerns. You can hold on to it. Reliance Regular Savings equity is definitely not doing well for some time now. So I don't know when he has started the SIP. So maybe he needs to track it for some more time, and if it's showing underperformance again, he can take an exit call and consider some better performing multi-caps.
Right. Next up, there's an email from Samriti Gupta, who writes in from Bangalore, and she has the following investments. Franklin India Blue Chip Fund, about 10,000 per month. HDFC Top 200, which is 5,000 rupees per month. HDFC Equity, 5,000 per month. HDFC Mid Cap Opportunity, about 5,000 per month. Reliance Equity Opportunity, about 5,000 per month. And Sundaram Select Mid Cap, 5,000 rupees per month. What are you making of her portfolio, Renu? Should she sort of make any changes, or it looks good enough?
I think the portfolio looks good enough because she's here in this case also she has funds in different categories with around I think 40% more is into the large cap space and the rest is equally divided between mid caps and multi caps. So there's no concerns as far as the allocation is concerned. But the only thing is that maybe it's only complete equity allocation. Maybe she can move into, she can also consider a debt fund or even have a balance fund to make it really, so that there is a debt component also in the portfolio. Otherwise, there are no concerns in this portfolio.
And we've got another email coming in from Seema Kulkarni, who writes in from Pune. She's 41 years of age and she invests in Reliance Regular Savings, 2,000 per month, Reliance Growth, 2,000 per month. And she's looking at a 10-year time horizon. Renu, she only makes those two investments on monthly basis, but both of them coming from the same fund house. Is that a bit of a concern, or you wouldn't really be worried?
Yeah, I mean, when you actually look at portfolios, I mean, if an investor has the same funds from the same fund house, that's a bit of risk because, there's kind of a concentration risk as we call. So it's always nice to have different funds from different fund houses and from different categories as well. In this case, for the two funds, Reliance Regular Savings Equity, as I said before, it's not doing well for some time. So, I mean, depending, maybe she can wait for some more time and take an exit call, consider better performing, funds from the multi-cap space like a UTI Opportunities that's giving impressive performance for the last few years, and it's showing bright prospects also. So, and then as far as Reliance Growth is concerned, short term definitely there has been some volatility, but I think it's quite an old fund, and although the fund was started as a mid cap fund, it currently works like a large cap with more than 50% into large cap stocks. The long term performance is very impressive, so she can hold on to it and make a exit call in the Reliance Regular Savings.
Thanks a ton, Renu, for that. Well, that's also all the time we have on this edition of Talk Money. Thanks for watching. A lot more programming lined up, so keep it with us.